Hi everybody, this is Felicia. Today, I know this is kind of like not the greatest angle, and sorry about that, so that's my first disclosure. But today I'm going to be organizing this small space. I'm going to give you close-up views of it. This is the furthest that I could get with the camera angle because my room is not that big to really show you a good angle of this room and with myself in it. So, but I'm going to be showing you how to organize small spaces just like this. I had a request for small spaces, and so I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can utilize a closet area like this, especially one that doesn't have any shelving in it at all except for the shelving at the top, and then this one has a shelf in the middle. Luckily this one has a shelf in the middle because it's going to help me organize everything the way it should be and get this stuff in some kind of order. Now, this is where I have all my overflow of some of my scrapbooking stuff, like albums and things like that. And then also, too, down the bottom, which you cannot see, is where I have all my iris containers in it that has lots of extra papers and kits that I am working with so far. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the organization of this small space here. And if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to leave them below, and I will do my best to answer anything that you possibly have, or that any kind of comment or question that you could have. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is the middle shelving area, and I'm just showing you basically what is in here before I organize it, so you can get a really good look at how this stuff is in here, just kind of thrown in here as extras. And then at the bottom here, which is what I couldn't show you on camera, is where I have my iris containers, and those iris containers contain stuff that I'm working on, like kits, well, say kits, and some of them are just basically organized with stuff in it that I have overflowed. So that's the best way to describe that. And then this, of course, I've had this forever and a day, and I'm going to be organizing around it. Now, the stuff that's in this I can show you is a lot of like older stuff, and I'm not going to be organizing anything inside of that except the fact that just to show you what's in it, because there's nothing really to organize in there. And then here is in the deepest crevices here of the closet. I have stuff that definitely needs to be organized in here as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on that, and then I'll show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, so it is cleaned out. That bag right there is for the other side of the closet, so I'm going to do that side as well. But this is all cleaned out. Look at that. All the way down to the bottom. So I just thought I'd show you that I got this all cleaned out. Now it's time for me to organize it and put everything back the way it's supposed to be. Alrighty, and I will show you that when I'm done. Okay guys, I finally got this done. Here is the top shelf here, and it's more organized than it was. I put the empty iris containers up there, and then this is also an empty storage container as well. This is where you put the photos in. So down here I still have space, as you can see, but this is what I wanted to show you, is this right here. This is from the Container Store, and this saved my life. They're $5 each shelf, and you can layer them. As you can see, they hook together right here, and you can layer them so that they won't move or anything like that. The cool thing I like about it is this gives you 1, 2, 3 spaces to store stuff, and the same with the other side there. So as you can see, I have all my extra goodies and things like that sitting over there. So that is the shelving part for that, the upper shelf here, and then the lower shelf. And this is what you would do if you don't have any shelving. Now I can go one more shelving high, which I probably will, but I just wanted to try those out and see how they worked, and I actually like them because it makes it look a lot neater. And then here is where everything was. It was crowded down here, but it's not anymore. As you can see, I have my cutting board right there, and then that box that my cutting cutter is sitting on is my misting box, so I have to keep that. And then that's an extra iris container on the top, and that's got paper in it, and I have to go through that. But for the most part, this is all right here. And then over in that corner, I still have my 2 gigantic cutters. I don't know if you can see that, but the light's not that good once you get in the corner. And then the container with the blue top on it is for when my grandkids come over so they can do arts and crafts as well. So I am all done. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this segment, and I hope you got some ideas about storage and how to, you know, utilize small spaces, because this closet is only about 3.5 feet wide on one side. On the other side it is too. So if anybody wanted to know that, that's exactly what it is. All right, guys, I want to thank you so much, and thank you for joining me. And I think I have one more video, which I'm going to tackle my Ross Cobb cards. Thanks, guys, for watching. Take care and have a great scrappy week.